Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2023. This video gives the details guaranteed to win on the 8th round from round 1. So if you see this video, it is very good for you. You can keep this strategy to win on the 8th rounds, right? This is long-term strategy game, so round 1, 2, 3 very important. We need to invest first, and then we can lead the game with top sale and profit in the later rounds. You see on the screen for IND, we update the product based on the industry condition report of your game, and also we can download the free Excel file under this video to update the product for 8 round faster, more precisely, right? And for the marketing, we can add we can update or adjust the price based on the courier report to find out the price, the max optimal price, and also the price of competitors, right? We should add one new product in we should really add one new product in traditional or low end segment from round 1, so we can double the sale and profit from round 3 and 4 and lead the game with top sale and profit in this segment, right? So we have 3 empty slots. We can add to 3 new products in round 1, 2, 3, and you need to check the courier reports here. You find out the unit we sold from last round, so we can calculate the sale forecast for the round, the current round based on the unit we sold from last round, and also calculate production by deduct inventory. We can add 15 or 20% of the plan to, because our production may sell very well because we update the product correctly and also spend very strong and for promotion and sales. You see on the screen. We also give 35 days for customer account receivable, 5 days more, 35 days for customer to delay the payment. We increase the automation of the traditional to 5 or 6 and increase the automation of low end to 6.5 or 7. We can use the 3 stocks of fund to finance our strong strategy, broad differentiation strategy. And so we use the stock issue, short-term loans and long-term loans, right? We will get very good sales in and profit. So remember to add one new product in round 1 and one new product in round 2, one new product in round 3. We can lead the game in later rounds. You find the details in the other videos, right? So thank you for watching. Good luck and success. If you need the support, you can send me the email for free 2 rounds or arrange a 1 hour for Zoom session to explain all the decision of each round.